Caution, this is a video log. It has dialogue. For the purist, nature videos go to my playlist, pick one that matches your mood, and does not mention vlogs or dialogue. Good morning. It is Saturday, September 27th, the first Saturday after the equinox. I'm out playing with the GoPro 360 that my wife got me for a very early Christmas present. We've been out at the Bush Run Lake here. Still dawn probably. I don't have a clock with me. I'm going to try and paddle slowly and we'll see what happens. I'm still wearing the camera on the chest harness. I think that's just way too moving around, my arms in the way. So I'm going to transfer to the head harness. Everything seems to be working out good. You can see the clouds in the sky. We're not going to have really good, bright, sunny anything today. This is what I have set for my standard walking around. Actually looks not too bad here on the screen. I'm just hand holding the mount currently. This is my setting if it was mounted on a tripod. We don't have stabilization turned on because if it was on a tripod we wouldn't need it. Very shaky though, you can see if I'm in the canoe here. You'll see us paddle into shore here, probably some time lapse and some other cool things. We did see a pair of bald eagles while we were canoeing. We had the GoPro on time lapse. I don't know if they were captured or not. If so, that will be cool. There's also some video of a muskrat and a squirrel. The lighting, it's a little overcast, so there's not real good light today. We're on a back road near the Bush Run recreation area. There's a public launch down here. You can see the canoe is on top of the car. And we'll see if there's any filming opportunities here this morning. Okay, it's kind of dark and no really good video to be had this morning at that location. Good morning. It is Sunday, September 28th. Thor came to the lake with me this morning. It is a beautiful day. You can see the clouds are burning off. Looks much nicer than it did yesterday. We're going to get the canoe off. We're going to get in the water. We're going to go try and take some video this morning. Yesterday, a lot of the video that we took didn't come out because it was dark and choppy, or I didn't have the camera pointed right, or a lot of different things. So we're going to try and get much better video today. There was a couple pieces that weren't too bad. I don't know if any of them will post it or not, but hopefully we'll get some good stuff today. We did get a new seat cover for Thor. I like it. It comes up the back, up the front. It's a little bit slippery here, so we put in a carpet that's kind of a non-slip carpet. And he's going to wait in the car while I get the canoe unloaded. We also got new tires, so that's a very good thing. And so we'll get the canoe unloaded. Okay, we're in the canoe in the lake. This is the Loyalhanna Creek Lake at the Bush Recreation Area. You can see it's a pretty nice lake. And we'll be canoeing up the channel to try and get some footage this morning. So normally Thor would have been laid down by now and been napping. But today's trip he has found overly exciting. So he's been up and moving around a little bit. We have been staying in the shade as much as possible and paddling slow there. And when we do have to get in the sun, we paddle a little faster. He's got his life jacket on. Got a towel on the floor for an anti-slip thing because the bottom of this is a little slippery for his bare feet. Like I say, normally he will reach his head over the side and get a drink. He's done that a couple of times this morning, but not while I had the camera going. And when he starts moving around is not the time to reach over and turn the camera on. We're going to head back to the car now and probably call this the outro. Stay. 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 All right, get out now then.